Look, Morphle! There is snow outside of Daddy's Magic Pet store. That's strange. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer. Now you can push the snow away.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. Thank you for getting rid of the snow. The snow was made by Atmo, a new magic pet. It can control the weather, but it's a bit naughty. Huh?
Atmo is gone.
And he's making a storm. We need to find it before its mischief gets out of hand. Oh no! I think it went that way.
Let's go. Uh-oh.
The path is blocked.
Not in my city.
Whoa!
Oh no! We need to find Atmo. Watch out!
Atmo! You need to stop the storm! It must not be able to hear me through the storm. Atmo! You need to... Oh!
Oh no!
Whoa, Atmo. I know you like playing with the weather, but that was dangerous.
I have an idea. Here, Atmo can use his weather powers to help out. The playground is much too small for the giant. Let's build him a giant playground. Yeah! Build a giant playground for the giant? Can you bring that over there? Let's fix those together. Great! Now you can put that on top. We have a surprise for you. Follow us. Surprise!
Whoa!
Morphle, morph into a crane.
I found you.
Now it's your turn to hide, Cloud Monster. Found you.
It's so fun when you guys are around. Usually, I just play hide and seek by myself. And I never ever find anyone. It's even worse when I'm the one hiding.
Oh, Morphle and I are never alone because we have each other. You know what? I know how we can help you get a best friend, too. With this life ray that I borrowed from Professor Rashid, we can make you a friend.
Boy, oh boy. Hi, friend. Hi. I'm the Cloud Monster. What is your name? Let's play hide and seek. You find me. Hi, friend, come find me. Oh, even the friend that we made just for me doesn't want to play with me.
I just think your new friend doesn't like playing hide and seek. I think he likes playing ball games.
But I like hide and seek.
Then why don't we come up with a game that is both hide and seek and a ball game?
Oh boy, he's coming. Oh boy.
Thank you. I would never be able to dance this well without my dear magic pet, Soundbird.
Oh, thank you. With Soundbird's magic power, it can sound like anything it wants.
Yes, including music. I am so happy to have him. Not in my city. Ugh, that's Police Officer Freeze. Run! I'll have to write you a ticket.
Oh, remember that time we went with Police Officer Freeze, Morphle? It was so funny.
That's not Police Officer Freeze, Yawn.
I am a magic pet. It's so cute, Stein. That sounds just like me.
Yeah, let's steal it, Yawn.
What? I'm sure you can't just steal me.
What do you want to do with it, Stein?
First, we take care of Officer Freeze. I have just a plan.
Officer Freeze, don't turn around. It's me, the mayor.
What? Why can't I?
There is no time. The mountain giant is committing heinous crimes.
Oh, no. What did he do?
He is moving rocks without a permit.
Oh, no. That's a crime if I ever heard one. I'll get you, mountain giant!
You got him good, Stein.
Yeah, with Soundbird in the Bandit Mobile, we can use its powers ourselves. And now, it's time for the second part of our plan.
Whew! Playing is hard work. I'll ask Daddy if we can have some ice cream. Ice cream! Hey, Morphle, I have some ice cream. I'm behind you. But don't look. Let's play a game. Great! Morphle, I like the game. Great. Okay, close your eyes and follow my voice. Keep going straight. Now turn right a bit. Keep going. Huh? Where is he going? And stop. Okay, we're almost at the ice cream. Ice cream! But to get the ice cream, I need you to morph into a wrecking ball. Ha-ha! Now smash the door of the bank, Morphle. Ha-ha-ha-ha-ha! Mila acting all weird. No, I'm not. Just smash the door of the bank. No! Morphle no believe Mila rob a bank. Bandage! Smash the doors, Morphle. No, don't smash the door of the bank, Morphle. Mila!
Uh-oh.
Morphle, use your wrecking ball to smash the button on the Bandit Mobile. Yeah! Thank you, Morphle.
We've lost. Let's flee, Yorn.
Okay, Stein.
That wasn't me.
Ice cream! Let's build a big sandcastle. Morphle, morph into a digger.
Okay, so this is Aqually. Its magic powers allow it to swim wherever he wants, even if there's no water there.
Yes, exactly what we were looking for. Oh, shh. Aqually, make a water stream right into town. Finally, we can cause mischief away from the sea. Now we can steal all the toys we want. And we can steal all the ice cream we want.
I love ice cream.
It's the pirates!
And we can now even smash sandcastles that are not on the beach.
How are they sailing their ship through the city? Morphle, morph into a boat too.
Let's have Aqually. Use the Magic Pet Transporter Hoop.
Aqually? Morphle, morph into a dolphin. Great, Morphle! We did it! But where did those pirates go?
It was too good to
It's
be
always
true,
something,
Phil.
isn't it?
Easy come, easy
I
go.
wish we could have had more ice cream.
Morphle, morph into a ram. Morphle, morph into an elephant. Awesome! Now morph into an ankylosaurus. Oops! Oh no! That was our only ball, Morphle. Let's get it back. Morphle, morph into a speedboat. The sea is getting rougher. Whoa! Whoa! Morphle! Morph into a dolphin! Whew, that's better. Big waves are no problem for dolphins. Uh-oh! Morphle! Morph into a submarine! Wow, that wave was huge! Morphle, morph into a big wheel! Ha-ha! Now you're way too big for the waves to harm you. Look, Morphle, it's Neptune, the king of the sea. He's angry. That's why the waves are so wild. Hey, Neptune, what's wrong?
What's wrong? Somebody hit me in the head with this tiny rock.
That's not a rock. That's our baseball.
So it was you.
We're so sorry. It was an accident. We were just playing baseball.
Baseball? What's that?
It's a game. We can show you. That's a catch. Morphle, you're out. Morphle, let's pull a prank on Daddy. Oh, yeah! Morph into me. Great! Now put on these clothes. You look exactly like me. Yeah! Okay, let's prank Daddy.
Oh, it's you, Mila. I didn't see you come down the stairs.
That's because I'm still up here.
Huh? But... then you must be Morphle.
Hi, Mila. Do you and Morphle want to play?
Mila, Morphle, no here.
Oh.
But Mila play.
Great. Let's go.
Troy didn't see it was Morphle.
Hi, Mila. What game shall we play, Mila? You're always so good at thinking up fun games.
Yeah.
Tag?
Okay, Mila, you're it.
What?
Whoa.
Wow! Now you only need to tag Sarah. But where is she? I'm in the tree. I don't think I can get down anymore.
Uh-oh.
Mila, help!
Wait a second. You're not Mila. You're Morphle.
Oh.
Thank you, Morphle.
Well, it seems Morphle isn't with you.
Uh-oh.
But Stein, isn't that
And
Morphle?
without Morphle, we can tease you all we want.
You're so small.
Let me go.
You can't do anything. Where did that ball come from?
Ouch! What's happening?
Let's get away, Stein.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's Mila again. Ah!
Leave us alone.
You pranked them good, Morphle.
I'm so bored without Morphle. Let's find him.
It is Mila.
Huh? This giraffe looks a little sick, Morphle.
Oh, Mila, Morphle, it's terrible. All the animals have caught the animal flu and have to be taken to the doctor.
We can help you, Zookeeper Kenneth. Morphle, morph into an ambulance.
Come on in, everybody. You will be feeling better in no time at all.
Are you not happy we brought the animals to the doctor, Zookeeper Kenneth?
Well, of course. I'm happy about that, Mila, but this afternoon, a lot of people will come to the zoo, but there won't be any animals to show them.
I think I know what to do about that. Let's go to the zoo. Morphle, morph into a kangaroo.
What a great idea, Mila. This might actually work.
Look, Grandma, a kangaroo.
Oh, that's lovely, dear. Let's see what this cage is supposed to have. It says tiger. I don't see any tigers.
Morphle, morph into a tiger.
Oh, there you are.
Zookeeper Kenneth, where is the giraffe?
I think it's up one of the trees. It likes to do that, you know.
Wow, that was amazing!
Monkeys! Hey! Is there anybody home?
No elephants. That's strange.
Quickly, Morphle. You need to become a monkey.
No, an elephant is more important.
Do something, Morphle.
Yoo-hoo! Monkeys! What? An elephant? It says here you're supposed to be a monkey.
Did you say elephant? Where is it? What?
Morphle, you need to morph into a dolphin.
And a lion.
Where are the parrots?
I can't find the rhino.
Are the crocodiles still asleep? Morphle, you need to morph quickly.
Oh, my!
What an amazing animal.
That's the coolest animal ever!
Nice work, Morphle.